back to the farm. So it has rained for about 3 days now. And we came out to do some damage control. It's still raining. And we have some serious rivers going on. And for those of y'all who haven't been to the farm before, we don't have a creek on the farm. We ain't got like a pond. But today we do. So just wanted to show y'all this craziness because of this rain. Hello. Welcome back to Lazy C Farm. The waters have receded somewhat. It rained all yesterday, rained some this morning, and I think they finally stopped. It finally stopped raining around, it was early this morning, maybe 6 o'clock. So the waters have kind of gone down some. And we're going to turn the horses out. This is their first time out in 3 days. They're going to be so excited. So I wanted to share that moment with y'all and just let you see. Everybody likes to roll when they first come out of their stalls, especially after 3 days. Good morning, Strudel. Dude just got done rolling. He's a disaster. Addie is too. Foxy hasn't rolled yet. guys. See you next time.